Assalamu dear students, a very good morning. I welcome you on my channel. We are doing chapter 4 at Excel paper P2 exercise 4B question number 19. This is the same case as far as the part A is concerned. We did in question number 18 of exercise 4B. And right now you are given with this cubic equation and f of x 12x cube plus 5x square 12x minus 1. Show that 4x minus 1 is a factor of f of x, and write f of x in the form of this linear and quadratic equation. Okay, so it means that factor means whenever the first part means show that f of 4x minus 1 is the factor of the function, given function. It means that 4x minus 1. Okay, so this is the linear equation. If I if I place the linear equation, the function f of x, if I place the function inside, it means that if I divide the cubic by the linear, and after solving I get the remainder equals 0. It means that this 4x minus 1 is the factor of the given function, the given cubic function. Okay, so we'll do that, and afterwards after doing, when the remainder becomes 0, we will be having some quadratic equation here, and those quadratic equation coefficients a, b, c means coefficient of x square will be a, coefficient of x square will be b, and coefficient of x square is c. So we will write in that form. Okay, so by which term, if I multiply 4x, I get 12x cube. Okay, so here is 4 and here is 12, so it means I need 3, and also here the power of x is 1, here the power is x cube. So how difference? Square difference. So we will place square here, that is 3x square. Okay, and right now we will multiply the 3x square with this whole 4x minus 1, turn by turn. Okay, so the first is 12x cube and the second is minus 3x square. Similarly, just subtract it as I shown you in the previous question. Plus becomes negative, negative becomes positive. The first term is always cancel out. Plus 5 plus 3 is 8x square. This goes downward. This is plus 2x minus 1. Both of them will go downward. Okay, again, so you need to just focus that here is 4x and here is 8x square. By which term I multiply this 4x, so I get 8x square. First is the positive sign. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, so I will write here 2, and also if I multiply x by x, then it becomes x square. So I will write x here, and now just multiply this 2x with 4x minus 1. 2x when multiplied by 4, it becomes 8x square, and when plus 2x is multiplied with minus 1, it becomes minus 2x. Okay, so just now subtraction, reverse the sign, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. 8x square and first term cancel out, because plus of 8x and minus of 8x square cancel out, and plus 2x and plus 2x becomes 4x, and here is minus 1, just copy paste minus 1 downward. Okay, now just see that this term 4x minus 1 and this term 4x minus 1 are both same, so just no need to multiply just with any factor or the number, just 1 is enough. So just multiply with 1, it becomes 4x minus 1. Okay, after doing subtraction, because at this stage we use subtraction, so plus becomes minus, this will be minus and this will be plus. It means the overall cancellation, no remainder left. It means when no remainder is left, this is the factor, this is the factor. Okay, when no remainder is left, this is the factor. Okay, we have shown as asked in part A. Okay, and right now beta they are asking in part B that show that the equation 12x cube plus 5x square 2x minus 1 has exactly one real solution. Okay, for that it will be such scenario that just look and observe this equation, that one real solution means okay, so right now I'm just breaking the cubic equation into linear and quadratic, okay, because you always know that cubic is always the multiplication of one linear equation and one quadratic equation. So this is 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Okay, so just see that for part B I'm doing right now has exactly one real solution. It means that we know that if this equation is equal to 0, 4x minus 1 equal to 0, it can provide us the solution. Okay, this is x equal to 1 upon 4. But here you can see that a quadratic equation always has 3 x values. It means 3 real roots. It may be or it may be not. Okay, so it is not mandatory that it will always give you the roots, but in this real solution, one real solution, we need only one real solution. Okay, it means that this linear equation is giving the real root, this equation is giving the value, and somehow if I because they mean to say that this quadratic equation is not giving us the root. Only one root means only one root from this linear equation. It means that we have some property in paper 1 we discussed that for this quadratic equation, if the discriminant is less than 0, it means this quadratic has no real roots. Okay, so then we will prove that only one root we have, that is 4x minus 1. It means x equal to 1 upon 4. Hope you are getting my point. Okay, so discriminant is b square minus 4ac. If it is negative, then we will prove already that the negative discriminant does not provide any real solution. So the real solution is only the first linear bracket, that is 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so b here is 2 square minus 4, now it is 3, and c will be minus 1. Okay, so this is 4 minus. Okay, so this is plus 1. Okay, so 4 and minus 12, so it is minus 8, and minus 8 is less than 0, and whenever the discriminant is less than 0, no real solution. Okay, so we have no real solution. When we roll no real solution, it means when we have no real solution from this quadratic, so we only have the solution from this linear, and that is 4x minus 1 equals 0, and here is x equal to 1 upon 4. So this is the only one real solution. Hope you are getting my point. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment our channel. Thank you. This is all from my side.